Pietro Annigoni was born June 7, 1910, died October 28, 1988, was an Italian artist, portrait painter, fresco painter and medallist, best known for his painted portraits of Queen Elizabeth II. His work was in the Renaissance tradition, contrasting with the modernist style that prevailed in his time. Annigoni was influenced by the Italian Renaissance. From the end of the 1920s on, he lived mainly in Florence, where he studied at the College of the Piarist Fathers. In 1927, he was admitted to the Academy of Fine Arts in Florence, where he attended the courses given by Felice Carena in painting, Giuseppe Graziosi in sculpture, and Celestino Celestini in etching. Annigoni enrolled in the nude class run by the Florentine Circolo degli Artisti. While attending the open class in the same subject at the Academy, Annigoni exhibited his work for the first time in Florence in 1930 with a group of painters. He had his first individual exhibition 2 years later, in 1932 at the Bellini Gallery in the Palazzo Ferroni. Between 1945 and 1950, Annigoni produced a succession of important and very successful works. In 1947, he signed the Manifesto of Modern Realist Painters. In this manifesto, the group, which consisted of 7 painters, came out in open opposition to abstract art and the various movements that had sprung up in Italy in these years. It was an insignificant detail in the painter's life, but it would become a key point of reference in literature about him. In March 1949, the Committee of the Royal Academy in England accepted the works Annigoni offered for its annual exhibition. It was the artist's first experience with England and the beginning of a success which was to acquire worldwide dimensions.